Hey there, folks. We're going to dive into some handy tips for repairing and regluing a chair. Epoxy can be stronger than yellow glue or wood glue. You can mix the epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use the right glue. Some glues that work well for chairs include hot hide glue, epoxy wood glue, polyurethane wood glue, and cyanoacrylate wood glue. Assemble in stages. Apply glue to the parts, then push them together by hand. Once one section is assembled, apply clamp pressure. Use shims and clamps. Clamp pads can protect the finish. Apply weight. After gluing, apply weight to the chair to keep it in a tight fit while the glue dries. Clean up. Use a damp rag to remove excess glue and residue. First things first, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a rubber mallet, some tape, clamps, heavy-duty rubber bands, the epoxy glue. Now, let's take a closer look at the damage on the chair stretcher. You'll notice that the wood has cracked, and there's a significant gap between the two pieces. To fix this, we'll use the epoxy glue. Simply apply a generous amount to the crack and press the two pieces together. Use the rubber mallet to gently tap the wood back into place. Make sure to use even pressure to avoid any further damage. Now, let's wrap up the repair with some tape. Apply the tape to the chair stretcher, making sure to cover the entire crack. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can repair your chair stretcher using epoxy glue. This is a professional, advanced technique that can save you time and money. Thanks for joining us today, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech info. Until next time, happy repairing.